We often talk about freight being in kind of a freight recession. This strike, the disruption, everything it's doing to increase cost and all across the supply chain, what does it mean for the companies that kind of operate our supply chain?
Sure. Thank you, Frank. It's been an interesting year. So far, it's been a dramatically positive year for container shipping, even though last year was very difficult where a lot of companies were operating in the red. This year, it's seen a real reversal in fortune driven by the Houthi attacks in the Red Sea that has caused a lot of companies to divert from the region. So vessels have started to transit a lot longer voyage distances, and that's tightened capacity meaningfully. And so here we are at a point where the ILA is now officially on strike. And we've seen strike actions before. They're not obviously regular. They tend to be rare. But in the past, over the past 20, 30 years, when there has been disruptions, they've tended to come at a point in time where the container markets are fairly loose, or the U.S. is either in a recession or is just in a weaker economy. This time, things are drastically different. Tight container market, ports are running at nearly full capacity, and there really isn't much room for disruption at this point.
All right. So, again, we hit on the fact that, according to your estimates, it's going to be a $4 billion negative impact to the U.S. economy. But, there's two sides to every coin. In your note, you highlight two container and cargo shipping companies, Hapag-Lloyd and Zim. If you look over the last week, they're up double digits. Do you expect their stocks to keep moving higher? Are there other names that you expect to actually benefit from all this?
Yeah, no, it's interesting. It's the stocks have had a tremendous run. I think Maersk was up 20% the past couple of weeks. Hapag, I think, similarly. And then you have another U.S. listed company called Zim that's up 40%. The equities have clearly taken a life of their own. At this point, they seem to be pricing in a big spike in freight rates. So far, that spike hasn't come. A lot of liner companies prepared for this disruption. A lot of retailers pre-ordered ahead of time to make sure that they had their stocks in place if there were a disruption. If this were to last a couple of more weeks, we'd expect at that point we would start to see freight rates pick up momentum and clearly would be supportive for further gains for these stocks.
All right. What about stocks that offer air freight? Are you expecting to see a big boom in them? A lot of talk about retailers. Even though roughly about 80% of things for the holidays have been brought in, a lot of retailers still will have to bring more things in. And more than likely, a lot of them will have to use air freight.
Yeah, that seems like a logical place where we'll see a big surge in activity. It just depends on how long this strike lasts. But as you said, 80% of activity for the holiday season has already been taken care of. And so we're at the margin at this point. You may see a shortage, but clearly if this starts to last for beyond a couple of weeks, we'd expect air freight to start to benefit as well.
Omar, I have to notice right now, we're showing the charts to some of the audience, and some of the math has changed on the week moves. Right now, we're seeing Maersk in the red. We're seeing Hapag-Lloyd in the red right now. Any reason why these stocks would be trading lower? I mean, we're actually in the disruption right now. It's not just a threat. Why are we seeing those stocks move lower in your mind?
Yeah, no, it could simply just be one of those typical, buy the rumor, sell the news events. The strike is officially here. But also note that at the end of the day, we have not seen freight rates pick up. They've actually continued to decline as peak season volumes have started to come off. They've been running full steam since May, and then around July, August, they started to trail off. So at this point, freight rates are coming down, and maybe it's just simply people wondering if we're going to start to see that spike or not.